Let's make smoked salmon on the barbecue with mango salsa.
Okay, let's get to work on our marinade. We're going to be using fresh lemon and lime juice tonight. A little olive oil and garlic, some smoked paprika, and a dash of salt and pepper. We'll give that a good mix. And now we're going to prepare our salmon. I'm cutting it into portion sizes I feel meet my needs. You can do the same for you. We'll go ahead and marinate this in our nice marinade for a couple of hours in the fridge, and then we'll bring it out and get it ready for the barbecue. One last little flip before it hits the grill, and listen to that sizzle. I have the smoker pellets underneath the grill, and then I do have a smoker box on top of the grill that you will see later. I'll go ahead and add a little bit more of that marinade right onto the top of the salmon, and you'll notice I'm cooking it with the skin on. That has a great flavor to it. It's almost like a chef's treat for later on. I'll even peel that off and have that with a little bit of the marinade. Look at that salmon, just delicious. It's ready to flip. Look at that smoke. This has a great flavor, and it is a great combination with that mango salsa. The easy recipe for the mango salsa is, of course, on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and check that one out. It's delicious with a lot of different dishes. For me, when barbecuing salmon, I heat that grill up and then I turn the heat right down so that way I can cook it for a longer period of time and allow the salmon to absorb all those great flavors, including those smoked pellets. This is such a delicious, easy recipe and so easy to make right at home, especially with inflation high. You can make this in your own kitchen at a fraction of the price and be your own master chef.
Get in this one.